Asphalt paving is the foundation of today's roads, parking lots, and pathways, delivering strength, durability, and long-lasting performance. At Asphalt Management, we specialize in high-quality asphalt paving solutions tailored to the unique demands of every project. Our process begins with detailed planning and precise design, ensuring your pavement is built for both performance and longevity. From there, the site is carefully graded and sloped for proper water drainage, protecting your investment for years to come. A strong, stable subbase is installed, followed by the precise application of the asphalt binder and surface layers, all placed with expert craftsmanship and attention to detail. The result is a smooth, durable surface built to handle real-world traffic and tough conditions. With Asphalt Management, you're not just getting pavement, you're getting quality you can trust from start to finish. Asphalt Management, built strong, built to last.